Hello, today we'll be seeing how to fix a black screen on the display capture device on OBS. Actually, this happens because of two reasons. One is you'll be having a dedicated graphics card and an integrated graphics card in your system, so OBS fails to determine which to use as a video output device. So to fix this, you could need to change some settings in the NVIDIA control panel. Just head over to NVIDIA control panel, just right click and you'll be seeing NVIDIA control panel there, or I've already got it here. Now go to manage 3D settings, then program settings, then navigate to OBS Studio, then select whichever graphics card you want to use. I'm using integrated for this one, so do that and click apply, close it. You also need to change the graphics settings in Windows. You can do it by right clicking on Windows symbol, then go to Device Manager, go to System, then enter graphics. Okay. Once I've entered that, we'll go there. Then you need to browse application. I've already done that, so it'll be probably done program files in OBS Studio. Then we need to select OBS Studio 64-bit. Now after adding that, just select options, then select which graphics card you want to use. Mine will be integrated, so I'll be using this one. So select save, close application, and this should be up and running. Thank you. If you think it helped you, don't forget to like. Thank you.